Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of driving under the influence and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty.
Open up the door.
Around 3:14 a.m. on February 4th, 2023, Patrolman Fiore of the West Windsor Police Department observed a vehicle that was stopped on the road in front of Maurice Hawk Elementary School. After he activated his lights and approached the vehicle, he noticed that the driver was asleep in the front seat while the vehicle was still in drive mode. He had to knock on the window multiple times before the driver, later identified as 26-year-old Devin Gribbon, was aware of his presence. He instructed Gribbon to put the vehicle in park and step out of the vehicle.
Ma'am, open up the door. Can you put the car in park, please? Thank you. How about you step out for me? No, that's reverse. That's drive. Park. It was in park. There you go. Roll the window down. Here, turn the car off. Step out of the car. Where are you coming from tonight?
My house.
Where's your house? Okay.
115's out with 105.
Let's go to the front of your car over here. We're going to go to the front of your car, okay? Mm-hmm. How much of it have you had to drink?
2 espresso martinis.
Okay. At your house?
No, bar.
What bar?
Ivy.
Ivy? Okay. What town is that in?
Princeton.
Okay. And where are you going to now?
My house.
How do you get to your house?
It's a car.
I know the car. I know that. But, like, what roads do you take to go to your house?
Nassau Street to down to Washington Township to Lawrence.
Okay. Well, you're in West Windsor right now, which is not that direction, and you're sleeping on the side of the road in your car. So we're going to put you through some tests because I don't think you should be driving, and obviously...
What school is this?
Hawk Elementary School.
In what township?
West Windsor. Okay?
You should call my dad. You don't have to do any tests.
No, we're going to do some tests.
No, you don't have to do any tests. I'll
Okay.
admit to anything.
Okay. Come into the front of your car. I'm going to check your eyes, okay?
It's okay, I'm in treatment.
What?
I'll admit to anything.
I'm not asking you to admit to anything. I'm asking you to do a couple tests for me, okay? So, I want you to lean on the front of your car, not on the side, okay?
I'm gonna admit to anything. But you should call my dad because
Okay.
I'll admit to anything. I drove drunk.
Okay. Well, I still have to do the test. Do you not want to participate in the tests?
No.
Even if I check your eyes?
I'll admit to it.
Okay.
You can arrest me.
Okay, well, we're going to get to there, but again, I want to give you an opportunity to do the tests, and then we'll take it from there, okay? So I'm going to check your eyes first. Do you have any conditions, neurological or anything that affect your eyes? Affect your eyes? In what way? Ma'am?
Gribbon told the officer that she was heading home. When Gribbon was asked if she had been drinking, she admitted to doing so earlier at the Ivy Inn in Princeton, New Jersey. Based on her admission to consuming alcohol, Patrolman Fiore afforded her an opportunity to perform field sobriety exercises. Gribbon declined to participate in field sobriety exercises and even told the officer, "You can arrest me."
I need you to keep your composure for a second, okay? Alright, can you see the tip of my pen?
No.
Okay, I want you to follow. You said no? Or yes?
No.
You cannot see the tip of my pen. The pen here, in my
You
hand.
have blue eyes.
I do. I'm not asking you to look at my eyes, though. I'm asking you to look at the tip of my pen.
Yeah, and I said no.
You cannot see it. Okay, alright. You want to do a walk and turn test?
No.
No? Why not? Huh? Where's your ID in the car?
It's right here.
You have it in your pocket? Okay.
No.
Thank you.
Can you just
5105-237, copy on your New Jersey DL by number.
Yeah, that's it.
they live 2 hours away?
Who does?
48.
My parents.
Okay. Does somebody live closer than that? That you're friends with? Family member?
I live here.
Okay. Alright. Well, you are going to be placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay. Alright. But once we get back, I have to put you on a breath test.
I know.
After that, somebody has to come pick you up.
My parents will.
They will. Okay. So when we get back, being that they're far, you'll call, and then we'll do the breath test. Okay? That works?
Gribbon was placed under arrest for driving under the influence and brought to West Windsor Police HQ for further processing. At the station, Gribbon refused to answer most of the officer's questions and refused to take a breathalyzer test.
Can you turn around and place your hands behind your back? What is that?
No, they're the ones.
I got it. Just can you call for 57?
They're the ones. They live 2 hours away.
Okay. All right. We'll have them come pick you up, ma'am. I don't want you to go into the road, okay?
Red 115.
My car.
Yeah, your car is going to be towed.
No,
We get a
my car.
57 for impound.
Yeah.
We'll give you the reg when you're ready.
Yeah, the scarf, that's fine. We'll take care of it. Don't worry.
John, that's it. New Jersey Yankee 82 Kilo Juliet Yankee. It's like silver BMW.
It's gray.
All right.
For you. One 1642.
What'd you say? My hands are shaking?
It's your first arrest.
No, it's not my first arrest. My hands are just cold. That party's under 450.
48.
Where are you going? Alright, I'm tightening your cuffs here so they don't tighten up on you.
Yeah.
It's not, but okay.
How about?
Close your jacket?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have anything in your pockets?
That's all right.
Well, okay.
737-165.
Okay, I have it. Okay.
So, jack that.
I have to pat you down first. You're going right in the car in a second anyway.
Zip that up.
I have to pat you down first to see if you have your wallet. I have to remove it from your pocket.
It's in that pocket.
Okay, I'll get it in 1 second. This pocket?
Yeah.
What's this? Lipstick or something? That's not your wallet.
I have a gun license. I'm a Democrat.
It's not a gun. It's lipstick or
I don't have chapstick.
what is this? Vape?
It's a vape.
Okay. Well, that's not your wallet, is it?
No, I'm a Democrat. Please.
Relax. Will you stand still, please?
Oh, it's fucking cold.
I understand that. Can you just hold on to this stuff for a second? Those are gonna have to stay with the car.
So is this your house key on here, or apartment key?
No, it's a safe.
Okay, is it okay to stay with the car key? The car key has to go with the car. Is this key okay
You're
to
towing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it has to be towed.
From
Is this-
who?
West Windsor Police. Is this key have to
No,
go with you?
who's towing it? West Windsor Police is a tow company.
I'll find out when we find out who's answering the tow. There's two companies in
Oh,
town.
yeah.
Okay, I will provide that info to you before you leave us.
All right, we're gonna take a walk back this way. Okay? No, don't.
Not the roadway,
This
we'll
way.
take the car.
This way. Right here. This car here. Just stay there for 1 second.
Cross the seat first.
What is that? Thank you.
Actually, the person who I'm calling, they're in my cell phone.
Okay.
Okay, where's your
got
phone?
that?
Is it? Just hold on 1 second.
I don't have your phone. Is your phone in your car or is it on your
What's the
person?
call?
No case. Is it an iPhone or an Android phone?
iPhone 13 Pro.
iPhone 13 Pro.
All right.
You want me to get that for you?
Yeah, so what's that?
Okay.
Just careful.
Watch the curb. Watch your head.
Thing right here. Are you gonna...
I'll grab it.
The seatbelt. Yeah, I have to buckle the seatbelt right here.
This.
The cuffs, they stay on until we get back to the station. Okay? Thanks. Yeah,
Yeah, I don't give you permission to search my car, so
we
you don't have permission.
we do get permission based on the arrest to search for intoxicants, and then we'll grab your phone so you have your
No
the phone
intoxicants in
number.
my car, seriously.
Okay, well we'll determine that. Okay?
Do you want me to call my lawyer?
No. You guys want to?
I'm still going. We okay to signal 11 for,
Yeah, for intoxicants. She said.
her phone is in the console here. She wants us to get her phone for her.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Yep.
Hit the,
I'll grab her phone. I'll take it back with me. You have the key, right?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. And then you guys just signal 11 for intoxicants, please.
9527. Trying to step signal 11 on the vehicle.
I have your phone here. All right.
48 signal 11.
I can't hear you. Do I have your lawyer's phone number? Why would I have your lawyer's phone number? I can't hear you. No, I do not. Why would I have your lawyer's phone number?
I don't give you permission to search my car.
We are allowed to search your car for intoxicants, being that you're under arrest for drunk driving. Okay?
For what?
For drunk driving. (5105-237) copy on the TRP. One Whiskey Foxtrot 34 to 30. Mileage is 59111.1. Car 6. I'm sorry? What'd you say? What about your hand?
Car, you smell something to search it, right?
The vehicle, because you're under arrest for driving while intoxicated, we search your car for intoxicants.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what they're looking for. What?
What did you find?
I didn't find anything. I'm obviously here with you. They're looking in your car. Okay? Did you say something about your hand? Did you slip out of the cuffs or no?
No.
No. Okay. All right.
No, I'm asking you to call my lawyer.
Okay. We'll talk about all this when we get back. Okay?
Just call them right now.
We're not doing that right now. Okay?
That's actually the
Hold on 1 second. Okay, well, we can resolve this in court. I don't. What'd you say, Sarge? I know. I'm so wrong. Alright. Here, you're gonna hop out for me. Why'd you undo your belt? Hold on, wait. Stop.
After she was processed, Gribbon was released to her father after he signed the potential sobriety warning form on her behalf. She was issued the following summonses: DWI within 1,000 feet of a school, refusal to submit to breath testing, reckless driving, delaying traffic, operating an unregistered vehicle, and refusal to notify DMV of address change.
Call my lawyer. Nothing. Here.
Okay, alright, relax. Stop wiggling. Just stand still.
Oh, there's another pocket.
Alright, stay.